What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Alright. As y'all saw my real name on that card though, I'm officially vaccinated, okay? I'm speaking loud so y'all can hear me, you know? I'm in Metairie right now on the South I-10 service road. Okay? So here I am, taking a walk, celebrating with joy, okay? Alright? So alright, here we go. South Service Road, West, okay? So anyway, y'all, here I am, taking a little walk, about to go back in Orleans Parish, y'all, okay? It sure didn't take that long for me to get vaccinated, you know? And I'm happy about that, you know? So, here we go. Alright? So, thing is, ladies and gentlemen, happy about it. All I could do is sing happy, happy, joy, joy. That's all. You know? That song by Ren and Stimpy, you know? So anyway, y'all, I'm talking loud so y'all can hear me, you know? Okay? I don't know if I would have to wear a mask or not, you know? So, but when I'm on the bus, I'll have to wear a mask, you know? I don't know if y'all will be able to hear me or not, you know? So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy about that, you know? They say don't pick up wooden nickels, but I would say don't pick up no wooden dimes. Don't pick up wooden dimes, and don't pick up no wooden pennies. Okay? Metairie, here I am. New Orleans, I'm coming back. Okay? I'll be back July the 30th, okay? All right? I know some of y'all happy that I take this, but honestly, my arm is about to get sore a little bit, you know, so I'm gonna take some Tylenol when I get home, okay? All right? So, all right then. Well, I better go stop in Brothers for something. So, all right then. Bye-bye, y'all. I'll see y'all at the family house, ladies and gentlemen. All right? All right.